Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In my hand I've got an HDMI adapter, a very affordable HDMI adapter, as well as a HDMI cable to micro HDMI cable. Now the reason I'm showing you guys this is recently I live streamed an event for approximately 2.5 to 3 hours using the XS20 and the 16 to 55 2.8 lens. So the purpose of this video, hopefully it's going to be a very short video, 2 to 3 minutes long. I'm going to show you guys step by step my method using this affordable HDMI adapter as well as this cable to successfully live stream a 2.5 hour event with the XS20 and the 16 to 55 and obviously some accessories. So just a breakdown on the hardware that is needed for live streaming is: number one, you've got to have your camera body as well as your lens. You've got to have this little adapter over here, and obviously your HDMI cable. Now the HDMI cable that I use was the one that I normally just use with my Field World monitor. And then you're going to need a Windows machine or a MacBook, whatever you guys are using, and obviously software as well. Now in my case I use StreamYard.com, which is the free version. Now for the first 7 or 10 days you allowed streaming up to full HD, and that is what I did with the XS20. I used the free version, which allowed me to stream up to 1080p full HD, and obviously a Wi-Fi router. So I had a Wi-Fi router set up as well with a 5G connection. My laptop was connected to the 5G connection, and that is how I was able to get the signal out through the client's Facebook for viewers to actually see the image. So firstly, you're going to take your HDMI capture card and you're going to plug that into your PC, and then you've got your HDMI cable. I'm obviously using the mini, the micro. The XS20 has a micro HDMI input. So you're going to take the HDMI input and you're going to plug it into your capture card. And then this end goes into your camera body or your output, your input on your body. On the XS20 you're going to go into menu and you're going to go down to the network tab. Under the connection mode, and you'll obviously choose USB webcam. Okay, so once you're in the StreamYard.com app, you'll click on the live stream link, and then you've got your options here where you're going. So here you've got the options to which destination you're going to stream it to. In my case it was Facebook, which the client requested. I actually had access to the Facebook page of the client. For this tutorial we're just going to use my page, which is Snap Media Productions. So I'm going to click on there and we'll just create a test run over here and then create live stream. And for your settings, so if you're using the HDMI capture cable, the options that you'll have under camera will be USB video. If you're using the Type-C cable on the XS20, it's going to give you a FujiFilm. The XS20 with the camera will actually pop up. As you can see here, we've got the Sony as well, because I've tested that previously. So in this case, we're going to use USB video. I've used full HD. In the first 7 to 10 days, you're getting that option. However, after your trial period is done, you've got to use the 720p. But like I said, this is just to show you guys how easy it is using the XS20 as a live streaming camera. And then we'll close this box over here, and then once I've done all my settings, audio settings, etc., I'll go into the studio. Then all I've got to do is click over there, and then we're live. So it'll give you the pop-up, ready to go live, and then I'll click. There we go. So I forgot to mention, you've got to add it to stage. So now we're live. That's how easy it is. So that's how easy it is to go live using the XS20. I'm just going to end the stream over there. So that's how easy it is using the XS20 for live streaming. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button. If not, subscribing to the channel. Comment down below. It really helps with the algorithm. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out till the next one.